we will guide you through how to edit aviation photos Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC and import the aviation photo you want to edit into your library. After the photo has been imported successfully, select it from the library module and click the Develop module to access the editing workspace. Once the Develop module opens, locate the basic panel on the right side of the screen. Start by adjusting the exposure to achieve the proper overall brightness, while preserving important details of the aircraft and the surrounding environment. Next, increase the contrast to create stronger separation between the airplane, the sky, and the background, giving the image a more dynamic appearance. Continue by reducing the highlights to recover details in bright clouds, reflective aircraft surfaces, or sunlight, while preventing overexposed areas from losing texture. After that, increase the shadows to reveal more detail in darker areas of the aircraft and improve the overall balance of the image. Then, increase the texture to enhance fine details such as the aircraft body, windows, engines, and surface markings. Continue by increasing the clarity slightly to improve the mid-tone contrast and make the overall image appear sharper without creating an unnatural look. Next, increase the vibrance to enrich the colors while maintaining a balanced and realistic appearance throughout the photo. Once the basic adjustments are complete, open the Detail panel and increase the sharpening to further enhance the fine details and improve the overall clarity of the aircraft. Review the edited photo carefully and compare it with the original image if necessary. The aviation photo has been edited successfully,